Huge update for Bitcoin. Breakout of this bull flag, completion to the upside. Very nice for all the VIP. We're going to talk about a breakout of another pattern on the 4-hourly. Let's dig into the 4-hourly. Look at this symmetrical consolidation. Very important top line. I have a warning for you all, or at least a level to watch. This is London. Please pay attention. In terms of this top line breakout of resistance, first of all, please consider, and I will have a second of all, just a second, guys. First of all, please consider the operation of this level of support, level of resistance on the lower time frames. That could provide, this level of resistance could provide the first hurdle. The second issue that I'm concerned about, that I want you to, and I'll say warning, I want you to be fully aware of the fact that on the candle wicks you express a different top level of resistance up and above this triangulation that we're all looking at, that we've been looking at for a number of weeks here. I think we were the first to bring it to the market in terms of that weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame real quickly, and yeah, let's look at the weekly time frame real quickly. A very nice chart thus far. Brought this to the VIP, give them the first look last night at this weekly, an update, because we did let you know a while back, a number of weeks ago, in terms of this pattern that had formed. I love checking that weekly chart, and yes, that symmetrical consolidation. If we were looking at the weekly chart, we have set a candle up and out of this specific pattern. So very nice to see that framework come into play. And in terms of the candle wicks, I just want you to be aware as you're trading, you have an upper threshold, even available on the weekly chart, as you were to designate your specific lines of resistance in your actual breakout, including your specific targets. I have these locked, pardon about that, including your specific targets, right? The amplitude measurement of this specific triangulation, or the amplitude measurement, and just be careful, or the amplitude measurement of this larger specific, and let me grab this, let me unlock that as well, this larger specific triangulation as measured on the actual wick. So you have two upside targets. Let me go ahead and relock those down. I should have relocked those down. Understand, one would be on the actual bodies of the candles, or on the actual, as we would say, on the actual lines, right? The body of the candles are the lines. Or two would be the actual target on the upside of the actual candle wick. So we're looking forward to positive price action. All I can say is right now, the most pressing immediate levels to watch would be on your specific, as you're breaking out of this zone, okay, would be this specific, these candle wicks along the top. And in terms of the lines, you're just right at that line. Congratulations to all those who are trading on some of these specific time frames you've already broken out. Excited to have brought you this, let's say, Bitcoin bull flag forming and the pennant forming. We've been ahead of the curve, and just be aware of this active line of resistance. You're up at it. Typically, the old axiom goes: buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your target. So in terms of this, many traders have already taken, they may have already repurchased. We'll see what the market threshold is in terms of them continuing to push, the buyers continuing to push up and through this level. Be aware of your different time frames. We will be streaming, okay, we will be streaming later live, but you just saw on the 4-hourly, we're up and out. And you can see now on the specific 1-hourly, we are not yet up and out. So there's going to be differentiation. The lower you go on your specific time frames, the less you will have broken out, because the more of your candle wicks you will be encompassing. You guys always know the candle wicks are indicative of the lines on the lower time frame. So yes, on the 1-hourly, you're not out yet. Watch the confluence on this 1-hourly, and not to make this too long of a video, but watch the confluence, right, of the 1-hourly with the with this top line resistance here, and this threshold top resistance here of this channel framework. Okay, so this is London. We will be streaming later. We welcome all the top traders in crypto to join our VIP. Last night we had some fun, even streaming Doge for a little bit. It looks like it was getting up and going. Would love to see some of those coins, including Doge, everything from VeChain, kind of the original coins, as some of the VIP just said, from VeChain to Chainlink, etc., to get back up and going. We'd like to see Sheeb also get back up and going, along with Gala. And then we've got that kind of that core central Solana that did well yesterday. Axie did well yesterday as well. So we've got an eye on everything from guys, Dusk Near, Jasmine, you name it. Loopring just did well. Elon. We've got a lot of different coins that we'd like to see do well in 2022, and we welcome you guys to be a part of our stream. Make sure you have those notifications on. This is London.